Hello children, so continuing the learning of the sounds of the letters of the English alphabet, our next letter is letter G. So when G is followed by vowel A, it is sounded always as G. So game, G, when it is followed by O, it is sounded G. God, G, when it is followed by U, it is sounded G, like in gun. But there could be exceptions to this also. Like we see the exceptions over here with examples. G followed by I is always sounded as giant. But there is exception GIVE, give. Here GEM, we say J sound. But when we say GEAR, then it becomes gave. Here G is followed by Y. We say J sound, gym, or what you say gymnasium. But here when we say G followed by Y, this is gynecology. So this is exception to the rules. So all the words we have to know very well. The more you know the words, the more you will understand about them and the spellings, etc. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it.